I'm actually bringing you your outdoor planner, and I'm suggesting you just stay inside today because this is what it'll look like. Cloudy most of the day. Temperatures try to climb into the upper 30s, but it's going to be a struggle. I'm thinking we stay in the mid 30s, but with that wind, it's going to feel like the 20s all day long. So again, you might want to stay inside. I do have your satellite and radar here showing a little bit of winter weather, not in North Texas. This is well to our south across the higher terrain of West Texas and across the Edwards Plateau into the hill country, where we are seeing more of a snow into a winter mix. That's where you see the pink there. That's along Interstate 10, so if you have to commute south, that's something to keep in mind. This has been going on for the last 2 to 3 hours, so we could be seeing some light accumulations on the Edwards Plateau, and otherwise just seeing that mix heading towards I-35, but again, mostly staying west. There is that winter weather advisory in place for Central Texas. The more south you go, then it turns into a winter storm warning just due to the potential for some ice moving into the area. And it's not just Texas, portions of Louisiana under a winter weather advisory, as well as portions of the Carolinas, all thanks to a huge system just moving across the country. It's a big bubble of cold air sinking south. Bismarck, -4 degrees. At least it's not that cold here. 13 degrees in Kansas City, about 15 in Chicago. And this cold air does move on towards the mid-Atlantic, eventually the north and east. And as another system develops, another round of potential snow for the northern plains into the Great Lakes and the Northeast late in the weekend as well. For us, after today, the state of Texas, it stays dry. North Texas overall stays dry at least through the weekend, so no need to worry about winter weather here. Just need to worry about that cold air. And this is what the rest of the day will look like. That cloud cover kind of sticks around. Temperatures in the mid 30s. It stays windy with that north wind anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we move into the overnight hours, our sky starts to clear and our winds will be much lighter, anywhere between 5 to 10. A dry air mass, clear sky, light wind, that is a perfect combination for a very cold morning. By tomorrow morning, we could be a few degrees colder than where we were this morning. In fact, temperature is going to drop into the low 20s for most locations anywhere west of I-35, with about 20 degrees in Denton, 22 possible in Fort Worth and in Hillsboro, about 15 in Graham, 24 in Dallas. And the good news here, if there is any of good news, is that the wind is going to be lighter, so we're not going to have a big wind chill factor for Friday morning. Then Friday afternoon, we should see a little bit more in the way of sunshine. It still stays pretty chilly though. Temperatures only in the low 40s, warmer than today, but certainly not as warm as what's normal for this time of the year. Our temperatures slowly climb the next several days, about 44 for the afternoon on Friday, upper 40s on Saturday. We're talking 50s on Sunday and into the 60s for early next week, where we could have our next potential round of rain. Yes, we do desperately need the rain. We are in a significant deficit. So again, we are expecting the chilly mornings the next several days. I want to make sure to bundle up. Temperatures dropping into the 20s or really that freezing territory Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning.